Welcome back to this Python Selenium hands-on session. So I recommend you to get your hands on in this session and code along with me. So for that, you need an environment that supports Python and Selenium code execution. You might want to see the response of how browser automation is done. So for that reason, I recommend having access to this site. Just log on to this site from here. So let me start afresh. Once you click on login, once you're logged in by using any of your Gmail account. So this is something that you can see. You can run your code right from the browser. So once you start execution, you can see the response of the browser from this video console. So apart from it, let me walk you through what are all this supports. So this is the testing page that you can see here, selenium.video UI-test-page. So this is the page that we'll be accessing as part of our test cases. So this test page consists of all the user interactions like calendar interaction or input interaction or drop-down interaction, checkboxes or radio buttons or hyperlinks, file uploading and file downloading, or any of the drop-downs with checkboxes, or just a search-based drop-downs or alerts that you can see, uh, drag and drop, video player, and API simulated drop-downs. And so this is the UI test page that you can have all sort of UI interactions. So let's go ahead with the video. So after clicking execution of this video, you can see the response here in this video console. You can see browser getting opened and navigated to a specific page, which is UI-test-page in localhost. So this is something that you can have a complete simulated environment of Python and Selenium, and working along in this series, you can have access to the code saved here. So feel free to go through this code. You will be having a bunch of scenarios here, how to navigate in Chrome, how to refresh a page, or how to select elements in UI, how to upload, how to download a file, or how to take a screenshot, or how to deal with alerts, how to wait for element to be present. And so these are all the different sort of UI test scenarios that you might come across as UI automation engineer. So I recommend checking out the site and code along with me. Thanks for joining, and feel free to join my next session as well. Thank you. Bye bye.